Remove the cover plate. Pull out the wires numbered XF19A8-48 and XF19A8-49. Pull out the wires that have been removed. Remove the cover plate. Pull out the wire numbered XF19A8-49. Disconnect. Disconnect the wire numbered XF19A8-48. Cut off the wire connector. Cut off an appropriate amount of the wire insulation. Cut the wire numbered 24V XF19A8-11. Cut off an appropriate amount of the wire insulation. Connect the 4 disconnected red wires together. Wrap an appropriate amount of insulating tape around them. Connect the 4 disconnected black wires together. Wrap with an appropriate amount of insulating tape. Remove the cover plate. Organize the wires. Connect the wire numbered XF19A8-49 to the upper fan. Connect the wire numbered XF19A8-48 to the lower fan. Organize the wires. Reinstall the removed cover plate. Replacement complete.